Starting route to 2245 Perry HWY.
Where are we going?
Head southwest on Wexford.
Down to the range.
76 on the left onto US 1942 Grand Prix.
So we just went to Starbucks. Told him my name's Damon. Guess not. Not today, right? Alright, so we're here at Field & Stream, not Walmart. Threw a curveball in here. What do you have to say about that, Mike?
America.
Mike, that was a good call coming here. Got your ammo on sale. Got our Starbucks. Let's get out of here. Told you we were serious. He couldn't go without trying to get something. Mike, what is that in your hand?
T-shirt.
Are we getting that?
Yeah.
Alright, so we didn't do too bad. Mike, you only came out with a t-shirt?
One t-shirt.
Not too bad. Alright, we'll see you guys at the range. How we doing, Frank?
Alright.
How we doing over there, Todd? Yeah? How about you, Mike? You having fun?
I'm having a great time.
Back in the day, I used to say, a girl like you, I used to pray for days for. Now my ear like way more. What the fuck would I stay for? Why the fuck would I pay for? Something that's just gonna kill me. Nikki, I'm still me, but I'm just better. It's been 6 months since we touched last, but I grow fast with this letter, and I swear to God that I'm better.
There you go. I call that a pretty successful day, don't you? Woo! Alright, we out of here. Alright, so we shot a bunch of guns today. We shot Glock 21, Glock 43, Glock 42, Glock 19, the Taurus, what is it, P709, and what would you got as? Something. I don't know, it's like, what is it, FD or something? XDS? I don't know. But anyway, we had some good shooting. Definitely had a lot of fun with the Glock 21. It was a fun gun. Really surprised how well the 45 shot. Definitely awesome. I think Mike can agree that that was probably his favorite too.
The 45?
Yeah.
Dude, I feel like every time you shot, the recoil just like made your grip sit in like that much more.
Yeah, it was definitely
smooth.
definitely a really smooth gun, but
Dude, those bullets are the size of like my fingers. Those things are like huge.
Alright, so Mike, I have a confession to make. This is my first time eating here. And I guess, here we go. Got orange chicken and General Tso's. Alright, Mike, this is so good. I don't know if I can finish it. For $7-8. I'm full already and not so much left.
Why you get
Alright, so we had a successful day at the range. It was a good time. I'm gonna strip my gun down, clean it up, and I'll start working on this video.